Today I'm talking about the body immunity. What is the body immunity? Any kinds of the bacteria, even from your breathings, eatings, infections, whatever, any bacteria or virus come to our body, possible to protect. How? If your body immunity is strong, it's possible to protect. But if your body immunity is not strong, not easy to protect. For example, your husband, he catch a cold. But even you kiss with your husband, you cannot catch. Why? Because your body immunity is strong than your husband. Someone who infection HIV virus, they live 30 years, no problem. But someone who infection HIV virus, within 3 months, he's going to die. Why? Same virus. Who live 30 years, no problem, who cannot live within 3 months. Because it depends on your body immunity is strong or not strong. Our body is there is many different kinds cell in the blood. We call it NK cell. Maybe you heard too much about the NK cells, natural killer cell. This NK cell in our body, only 3%. 3% possible to protect the whole your body. Every person produce every day 500 to 5,000 cancer cells. But if you have the strong body immunity, possible to kill. Like NK cell, if he found any inflammation or bacteria or any things, they are killing directly. But like T cell and B cell, even he found out the bacteria, he cannot kill directly. He sent the messenger, and then he checked what kind of virus he has, he designed, and then he go to killing. But the NK cell is only 3%, like police, 3% too much population, he cannot protect. So that's why body immunity is very important. So today I will tell you about the HemoHim. Just now, who has some experience of the HemoHim, actually this HemoHim can increase the too much body immunity. This is true. Also what kind of ingredient in the HemoHim, I will tell you. Who has exhausted your body, if you feel very tired, it means your body immunity is very weak. So if you take this HemoHim, immediately you can get the power. Who made this one? Actually, 8 years research and development as a government project at the Atomy Energy Research Institute. This one belong to Korean government, not private company. And then they study why someone who has the cancer go to the hospital. First time they will do the radiation treatment or chemical treatment. This Atomic Energy Institute, they have to always worry about the radiation. So all the members, how we can protect our radiation. That's why they start the study, and then last moment they found out this HemoHim. Also they tested the human and even the mouse. One group with mouse and the other group mouse. They make the A group and B groups. And they giving them the radiation both sides. After that, one group feed the HemoHim, one group they are not feed the HemoHim. After 1 month, they found out one group almost going to die. Which one we feed the HemoHim groups more than 60% alive. It's very big difference. So it's good. So already we have the 4 patents in Korea, also patent in the USA and France, Italy, and England, and Germany, and Japan. I'm showing here the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, call it TB infection, the lungs. This virus, when you have infection, a lot of patient has infection, the tuberculosis. One who has the infection, these patients, at least 10% infection in a year. But this much dangerous, the virus. But when the tuberculosis bacteria into the body, and then suddenly, look the white blood cell cover on it and killing. But who has the body immunity is strong, possible to kill, but if your body immunity is not strong, cannot kill it. So here, how we make the HemoHim. We have 3 different kinds of the herbal medicine we added here. Combination, an equal amount of Angelica gigas and Cyndium officinale and the Pioneer japonica. 3 kinds we boiled 4 hours, same quantity, and then after that we remove the solid. This one we call it the Him 1. After that we mix it with the ethanol, 4 times amount of HemoHim. We mix it together and 16 hours we leave it and at the 25 degrees temperatures. And then after that this one becomes the HemoHim. So you can see here Angelica and 3 different kinds of the herbs. Angelica gigas, this one is good for the women, especially there is too much vitamin 12. This one can possible to anemia and blood flow and many things. And also the brain cell protect the good from the Angelica gigas. And skin care, who has the dry skin, possible to can get this one, will get the moisturing. Item here, Cyndium officinale, also good for the women, and blood circulation, hair loser, and many things. And here also another one, Pioneer japonica, also good for the even the refresh the soul and the liver function, possible to liver any kinds of bacteria come to the body. The liver remove the toxic and killing the bacteria. Also the liver function is good from the Pioneer japonica, good for the woman. And inflammation, pain relief, arthritis, headache, and a lot of things also possible. HemoHim, actually the main function is 3 functions. First of all, is the make healthy NK cell and increase the body immunity. Here is very important items called the cytokine. Who has the cancer patient come to hospital first time, they are injection cytokine. Because this cytokine is very expensive. One-time injection, at least $700 up to $2,000. But we found our cytokine in the HemoHim. So this one is good.